सो आता हांव वयता बेसिकली केक कलेक्ट करपाक. केक कित्या आज बुशू गेलो लास्ट डे कामाचे. बुशू मटर्निटी लिव्हार वयता आनी हांव तेगे मॅनेजरा वयतलो आनी केक दितलो. हांव आज तेगे मॅनेजरा सरप्रायज करतलो. ऑल गुड. डायरेक्ट घेवन वचपाचो आतां. ते एका ब्रेका आसतली. म्हाका 10 मिनटां आहाय थिंग पावपा. तेगे मॅनेजरा खबर ना की केक तेका लागून येता म्हणून. तेचो क्रॉस जावन येता हिंगा. केक मजा आती cake.
This is my manager, and a manager like him deserves something. So
Yeah.
Oh my god, what is this, guys?
let him open it.
But this is supposed to be your.
Open now.
To me? Logging off work, it's time to hand over my wife to me. Can I say, Kusanya, thank you very much. I'm officially logging you off. In a few hours. Yes. I still need you for 2-3 hours. You're going to finish your menu board. All the best. Okay, I'm officially transferring her to you. That's from
Thank you so much.
all of us. Yeah.
Oh.
The baby comes. Okay. Yeah. You're going to keep it in.
So
Thank you everyone. Bye bye.